Ew, what is in my water? Why does it look like that? This man tricked me, he drugged me. I definitely want to zoom in. Okay, stop playing so damn much.
I've been a bad bitch, Kakiana, and I'm still winning Pakiana. Percocets, Papiana, killing everybody beat. Thank you next, Ariana.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's the Black A, it's the Brat, back with another video. So hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today on my channel, I am doing how to slay my so good hair. Cause you guys, look, no, like on all seriousness, I put this hair in 2 days ago. And when I say my lace is lifting, but it looks so good, like you couldn't even tell it was lifting from back here. But my lace is really talking to me. But when I say this is the thinnest lace I've ever touched, and the most silkiest straight hair I've ever felt. Let me just show y'all. When I tell you I rolled out of bed and did not have to brush this hair, in all seriousness, do you see that? Do you? Stiff wear. Stiff wear. Just let me get out of here. Do you see this? The silkiness in this hair. But today I'm gonna show you guys how I try to melt and slay my lace. Okay? If you guys do not wear wigs, but you know, you might want to start making wigs or start selling wigs or start even doing hair. So just sit here and watch this video. And if you just love me for me, just watch this video, okay? Support a sister. That's just that on that. So first, I'm telling y'all right now, I don't use any types of glue with this hair or any hair in general because I'm not trying to lose my edges. So only things I'll be using is whatever this guy's name is. I use the little black container, the ultra glue, to melt, and I use this to put on my wigs. So, and it's not as sticky and as hard as bold hold. I mean, that's probably better, but you know, I see a lot of people with missing edges when they use bold hold. So don't use bold hold if you don't want your edges. Well, don't use bold hold. Okay, if you want your edges. Okay, let's get right into this video. Y'all wanna see this look like it's coming from my scalp, sis. This is scalp. Who is telling me nothing? So I'm gonna show you guys how I slay my scalp. When I say this is scalp, this is scalp, sis. This is scalp. So I can even brush it up with a freaking brush. Like, who's telling me anything? So for starters, I'm gonna push. This one I'm not gonna do it. Okay, so I'm gonna brush all my hair from the top of the head. I'm gonna like put it up in a ponytail so it's out of the way and I won't spray it by accident. That's just that on that. And then I'm gonna go in with my Ghost. This is not say this is a got to be glued blasting free spray. I'm gonna show you guys how I try to melt my lace. But with this wig, when I say you guys, it is easy. Like, first of all, the lace is thin. The thinnest lace I've ever experienced. Ever. When I say ever, I mean ever. So for starters, I just spray the got to be glue at the. I don't know if I want to do behind. I'm gonna do it like this. I sprayed, I feel like it's getting in my eyes because my eyes be feeling like watery a little bit. And then I get a little something that's sharp and I just lay it. After that, I go in with a little comb. I don't have my small comb that I usually have. So I'm gonna go in with this edge comb and I'm going to comb up the pieces that look like they need combing, and I don't want them to become too sticky. So I just comb them up. See from just this part, it don't look like, oh, lace. Looks like, oh, melt. melt. See that? Okay. Okay, that's what I'm trying to know. I just want y'all to see the little difference to come up. This camera's dead about to die, but we're gonna still keep going into the. So this we're gonna do just this part right here. When I say you guys, it's just as easy. And for the top of the head that I just did right here, focus, dang. Glued, you guys. All I gotta do is just lay baby hairs and it look fresh to death. Fresh to death. So I'm gonna finish the other side of my hair. I just showed you guys the right side. I'm gonna finish with the left side. And when I come back, I'm gonna show you guys how this lace is melted. Melted, okay? And they gonna be like, oh, Eric can tell you did it. Nah, the brat did it, boo. I might not even do that. I might just let this camera just die on me. But if you guys don't know something about me, I do not like to use what was I about to say? I don't like edges. I don't like making baby hairs for my hair, my frontals and stuff. Where Brooklyn at? Where Brooklyn at? So this is it for the hair. When I say you guys, this looks, well, y'all can't really see because y'all on camera, but when I say the hair is pretty much melted, when I say this hair is pretty much melted, it really depends on up to you and like what you like to do. I don't like to make myself any edges, I mean baby hairs, because that's just like, that just makes the hair look faker. I might as well just make it look like it's, you know, actual nice frontal and just slay it. So when I turn my hair around, it looks melted, okay? That's a melted fucking lace. That's a melted lace.
I don't want you on my page, Blockiana. Flow tailor-made like Tiana. They copying my style, Copiana. Roger that, over. Copiana.